Hello, good day, all my dear friends. I'm Oliver from Oliver Hobby here. After a long time, we got the Hitachi 135 again, 1 to 14 scale. Before, sorry, I was having some issues with operating system for the hydraulic for continuously running, but now we work together with factory, improved everything. So now, new pump, new valve system, everything we tested a long time. I forgot how many batteries, maybe totally more than 20 hours I tested with my colleagues. So later we will testing more, but now for sure we already testing long time. Hydraulic system, all running system, all functions, all good. Now let's see this one. So generally first, this, you see it's very cute and small, but it's very heavy. When I lift it, I can feel surprised because the other small excavator very light, but this one very heavy because all used thick steel metal, and pump, valve, all steel, all very heavy good stuff. So now let's see the weight of it. For this small cute one with 1.3S battery, 9.8 kg, only this small size, 9.8 kg. So now it is ready to run. From factory actually have tooth bucket and a flat bucket available, and also with rubber track available, so you can choose with rubber or without rubber. So standard all have this dual blade, two pump, separate control for the digging operations. Now and also from factory already set it up well RSky X14 radio. Imagine this one have around 100 mix and logic control just to make it smooth. All the pump increasing speed, valve open, all coordinate together. They working with each other, setting with logic control. So they open smoothly, operating smoothly. Even I'm not so good at digging, I can operate it very smoothly. So imagine if you are very skilled of driving this one, oh, it's when you're digging, it's like an art of work. So I have also different operation mode. Now this bucket, yeah, you can see. So this one, it is operated with, I will put it down. Hydraulic quick connection, yeah. Tilting back. Unlocked. So now if I tilt it forward, yeah, that's unlocked. Yeah, so here you will see from this angle, that's the copper cylinder for locking, unlocking. Locking, unlock. So after unlock, if you're driving good, you can directly hook up by operation or you manually put it on. So lock it. And the middle arm switching and control lifting up, down. Check the speed, very slowly speed up. All the way up, let's see the angle. To the top, rotation. Yeah, sorry, I forgot to light up all the white lights. Also have sound system. Let's see all the function one by one. White light on. Big arm down, you will see all the lights. White light on and off. Warning light can switch in different flashing mode. Sound, start. Then the horn. Volume you can adjust. Increasing. Already maximum. Driving sound. Tightly control. To the blade. Up. Rotation sound. Combination digging, go down. And now let's see some details of this beautiful one. Sound off. So on top of the cabin, you can see we have sliding open this plastic window, yeah? And the bottom of this shield also can open and close. Very tiny, yeah? Close it. Door can open. Inside decorations, 3D printed, all beautiful. Forward, we have the steel protecting net. So you will see this blade, it's all welding steel plate. Yeah, and also all this frame, you can see the steel, it's all thick. Why is this small size so heavy? Because it's a very tough one. From each cylinder, you will see all the details. It's elegant, yeah, with copper pipe, fine welding, with this ring locking all the small holes. Big arm, we have all this copper pipe left and right. I will switch off the light so you can see more clearly. Right side door we open, you will see two pumps, separate control. Bottom one for big arm, and do the blade and locking. Top pump for small arm and bucket. All finely mix, yeah. Not only mix control for all the valve, for all the pump, mixing with curve and logical control for starting each combination digging. Slowly speed up. So when you're digging 2-3 functions together, the pump is increasing speed slowly, not to jump the speed. So you will not lose control suddenly speed up. Very quietly pump. Top cover we can open. This side door also can open. Put battery on top. And there we will see that's steel well block there with high quality servos. So even I tested it continuously, 2-3 battery finish. It's getting hot, yes, but it's no problem for continuously running. So normally when we are digging, we play one battery, 15 minutes. You will give a break, yeah, it will cool down. So it's not as hot as series I tested it. For sure, your long time digging it, no problem. So there are many friends already have it, playing it. So if you're now worried for the quality, let me know. You talk to me directly. This one we modify together with factory. All good pump, the top one, and finally the grinding polishing valve. So very smooth, no lock, and always seal all the valves seal perfectly. Will not drop the arm. Yeah. So to be sure, one word. The after sale service, you come to me always. I will solve it for you, because I'm quite certain it will be stable, not much trouble, and even unfortunately you come to me always have spare parts. I ensure the after sale service. Thank you for your trust. See you.